What if you could secure a cabinet, drawer, locker or door without a visible lock? Introducing PS Locks, innovative electronic locking solutions supplied exclusively in the UK by Intrepid Security. PS Locks are designed to be discreet, with many of the solutions completely invisible from the outside, combining high levels of security with a clean, modern appearance. PS Locks are widely used in high-end retail, education, gym, and healthcare settings. From retail furniture and display cabinets to lockers, drawers, doors, and hidden storage, the possibilities are almost endless. And because many PS locks are battery-powered, they can be installed into existing furniture without the need for complex wiring. With a wide range of models, accessories, and configurations, Intrepid can help you design the right solution for your application. PS locks are manufactured in Austria and backed by a 5-year warranty. Intrepid Security, the sole UK distributor for PS locks. Smart locking. Completely discreet.